So I want to now demonstrate how we can actually do a disposal. So I've brought in another asset and I've brought it in as an in-kind donation. So you can see this is my laptop that I've brought in. It was purchased on the 1st of June for 10,250, and this is my net book value. It's calculated the net book value up until the date of the 31st of December because we had run depreciation previously. So if I want to dispose of the asset, I click on it, and then it brings up all of the information that we would have included when we registered the asset. So I'm now going to click on this button that says dispose, and I have to tell Xero, okay, so at what date is my disposal? So again, it defaults to the current date, which I'm going to leave for our purposes. I'm now going to put my selling price at 9,500. So my proceeds represents my sales. So at what price am I disposing this asset for? Then I need to tell Xero which account must it take this to. So I've got an account called Profit or Loss and Fixed Assets, which I'm going to take it to. Then I have to tell Xero the depreciation for this year. So we always choose up all depreciation up to and including, and it would be up to including the date of the sale. The reason you're doing that is because you want your depreciation to be calculated from the beginning of the year all the way to the date that you sell the asset. You then click on Show Summary. What this does then is that it shows you the calculation that it's going to be doing. In here, you can see there's my cost. That's my current accumulated depreciation because remember, I depreciated up until the 31st of December when I ran depreciation earlier. The system is saying, okay, but you actually need to reverse the depreciation from the 1st of October to the 31st of December. So that's 861 Rand. And you need to process depreciation for the month of October, those 21 days. And it's giving us my sale proceeds is 9,500. That's my gain on disposal. And if I click on review journals, it's now telling me that this is the journal entry it's going to process. It's going to credit my computer equipment cost, right? Because I've sold the assets, so don't have that cost anymore. It's going to debit accumulated depreciation account with the total accumulated depreciation on this asset. We had taken the proceeds to the proceeds account, and the gain on disposal also has to go. So we're going to choose an account, and it's also going to go to the profit or loss account. And we are going to click on Post. When we click on Post, if we had to now run our profit and loss statement, and for this financial year, and we click on Update, it's showing me that that's my profit that I've made. So we've done the disposal of the computer equipment, the laptop. And if you want to see now how this looks in your accounting records, right? So if we go to the fixed assets and we go to sold and disposed, you'll see that it's reflecting this asset as disposed. If we wanted to undo this disposal, we could easily do it. We literally would click into it and click on undo disposal. But for now, I'm not going to do that. I want to show you if you want to see the history behind this transaction, and if you want to view the journal. So I went under history, and this was the journal that we did, right? So this said that there was a profit of 588 Rand and 58 cents. So if I now go into my trial balance or my profit and loss statement, so which I'm going to go into the profit or loss, and I'm just going to run the standard report, and I'm going to run it for this financial year. And I'm just going to click on update, and you'll see there's my profit that I've made of 588.58. So again, that's how easy it is to actually just do a disposal on Xero itself.